So please stay 6 feet away from me.
You're younger than my son.
So please stay 6 feet away from me.
Yeah. You said you put your mask first.
So I'm in my house.
You put this your house is there.
So
Don't.
please stay
But
6
I'll
feet
bloody
away from me.
slap you. I'll call the police.
So if you touch
I'm
me,
73.
So please stay 6 feet away
Yeah.
from me.
So you stay 6 away.
So
Get
please-
into your house.
Please stay 6 feet away from me.
That's legal.
Are you doing that? Are
Yeah,
you
I do
serious?
it. Put your mask.
So please stay
Oh,
6
mask
feet away
also.
from me.
You don't tell me. I'm the owner of this place.
So you're
My
not.
parents produced me in this house.
That doesn't matter.
Their
So I
ghost-
rent this house. I pay rent.
Their ghosts, they slept, they died there. I held a hand.
So I pay rent for my
Where
house.
you sleep.
So I pay rent for my house.
They will haunt you, you know.
Sure.
They will haunt the same place they died. I held their hand.
So-
I was born.
So that's great. I pay
was
rent for this
born
house.
in their house.
So I pay rent for this house.
Huh? You pay rent. I don't care.
So
my
sure.
parents died. They will haunt you.
So I'm
in your
not going to
life.
disrespect
Mark my
you.
Word.
You're sneezing at me, sir.
Your
It's a
driver has
crime.
a mask. You don't have.
Sir, I'm in my house.
No, you're outside your house.
Sir, see, this is
No,
it.
no.
I have visual proof. So I will not move an inch. I'm right outside my own house. You cannot bully me. So you don't get to order me around.
No,
I'm sorry.
I'll order you. This is my fucking
So
property.
please stay 6 feet away from me.
You stay 6 feet. You get in.
Okay, I'm just going to be silent
Put your
now.
mask. I'm saying, please put your mask.
If you're a senior citizen and you're
72,
worried about your health, go upstairs to your own house. This is not your house.
This is my house.
It's not your house.
Right? This is my house.
It's not your house.
My land. Your land.
So I rent.
So you think that your rent is inside.
So
Yeah?
this is my doorstep. Here.
Yeah.
I'm on my
Go
doorstep.
get on your doorstep.
I'm on my doorstep.
Hey, yeah,
Okay, I'm on my
now,
doorstep.
okay. Coming, it's coming.
Sure.
So you're drinking here and you're very, huh?
Sure. So
No
I'm outside
mask,
my door.
nothing. Yeah. We'll show. That you were thrown from there in the paper. You can.
So you can do what you
believe
like.
us. My parents will haunt you every night.
Sure,
must
sir.
you?
Sure, sir.
We were born. They produced us there.
Sure, sir.
They died. We held a hand.
So please stay away
And
from
you
me.
No, you stay. You get it.
Sir,
Put your mask
I
first.
will
then
not
I'll
be
stay.
bullied by you, sir.
You put your mask first.
Sir, I will not be bullied by you on my own doorstep.
You're trying to bully
Sir,
73 years old.
Sir,
70
you're
all
you're
over.
the only one abusing. Nobody else is.
Yeah, because this is my house. Don't laugh. I'll bloody slap.
So you can assault me if you like. I won't even hit you back.
Bloody-
Come on.
Yeah.
I won't even hit you
I am
back.
73 and you're 30 some odd.
Sir, I
And
won't
you're
hit you
saying
back.
Bloody, you're a bully in the old garden.
Sir, I'll sit here all night if you
Yeah.
like.
Hey, you sit.
Great.
In any case, whether you sleep, we don't know. I don't know. Because our parents will haunt you.
Great.
The bed that you're sleeping, they died. I held a hand.
We have different
And
beds, sir.
100. Okay.
We have our own beds.
Huh?
We have our own beds.
That they will haunt you. Mark
Sure.
my word.
Sure.
Because I was produced in the house. I
Great,
lived.
sir.
I shat. I did. And you are living
shat?
there. And you
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 shat?
lived here 70 years. You don't shit in your house. I shat in my house.
Okay, sir.
And you're sitting on the same pot.
Okay, sir.
And you're sleeping on the same bed when my parents died.
That's great, sir. Your inheritance problems are
They
not
will
mine.
bloody haunt you. You are bloody harassing us.
Great, sir.
And thinking you're just come here a few months. You think you're a clown.
I think I'm a
And
clown.
You think you got the money.
Sir, clown is a huge compliment in my
No,
profession.
exactly.
Yeah, it's a great
I'm
compliment.
giving you that.
Are I'm a clown? Thank you.